Well, it is Wednesday, and I just finished some Zoom court hearings in Philadelphia and in Bergen County, New Jersey. It's interesting now with Zoom technology, we can appear in multiple courts in multiple counties on different sides of every state very quickly. That being said, I did an article previously. If you can appear in court, especially for a contested matter, it's always a better option. And right now, we don't have that option in where I appeared this morning for those proceedings. With that said, I want to talk a little bit about New Jersey and DWI and why the BAC is so important. And even if it's obvious that you were impaired, why that BAC is so important. Now, there are many cases that we receive in New Jersey where we don't have any real trial issues or pretrial issues with regards to being actually impaired. I mean, for instance, a person is found not conscious in the vehicle. They have to be awakened by the police officer. They fail the field sobriety test miserably. So from a pre-trial standpoint, there is no motion to suppress for lack of probable cause to stop the vehicle, or there is no motion to suppress for lack of probable cause to arrest the individual. And from a trial standpoint with regards to impairment, there's not an issue with regards to impairment based on the officer's observations. Now, there may be an issue, however, as far as the BAC amount. Quite frequently, we see and have been seeing extremely high BACs, sometimes as much as 3 times the legal limit. And I would encourage you to ask your attorney what can be done to litigate that issue. That can be something as easy as getting an expert to review the matter and really look at whether or not the BAC is accurate, looking at the device itself, and finally ensuring that the administration of the alco test in New Jersey or the breathalyzer test in Pennsylvania was done appropriately. Most importantly, in many cases, the observation period of the person prior to giving that test, and also if the officers administering the test did something like ensuring that all electronic devices were removed from the room prior to the test administration. All that can have an effect on BAC. And for instance, in New Jersey, the prosecutor may concede the issue, and that may lead to a dropping of the BAC in question. So it could go from, say, a 0.21 to a 0.13 or something of that nature. And that in of itself would make the DWI and license suspension less serious. And remember, in New Jersey, they have a new program with the ignition interlock device that you are allowed to drive with the ignition interlock, provided that your BAC is below 0.15. So that's very important information. If you have questions about DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania or New Jersey, in Pennsylvania, 215-755-9000, in New Jersey, 856-793-7429, the website gambonelaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. I'm going to link in an article on New Jersey DWI and Pennsylvania DUI. In addition, I'll be coming out with an article later this week on New Jersey DWI to give some more information about what I just said. Further, on Friday, like every Friday, we'll be coming out with our weekly e-update, which goes out to over 3,000 of our current and former clients. I will put an article in there about DWI and DUI. I know that our firm is focusing this week on drug crimes, but I did want to put out an article. I know right now people have been calling us a lot about DUI and DWI defenses. So with that said, please, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, in New Jersey, 856-793-7429, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, gambonelaw.com. Have a great Wednesday, and I will talk to you all very soon.